Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to hack Subway Surfer with the use of Lucky Patcher app, and no root is required for this method. So first we'll go to our app Subway Surfer and check the store. Here we can see if we purchase anything it will not be purchased, and if we are connected to the internet it will redirect us to the Play Store and ask us to purchase, and use of money will be required. So we'll go to our app Lucky Patcher. The link is given in the description box. Then we'll go to Subway Surfer. First we'll open the switch, the top switch, which is Google license verification emulation. We'll on it. Then we'll go to our app Subway Surfer. Then menu of patches. Then we'll create modified APK file, and then we'll select the top fourth option, APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Then we'll click rebuild the app. So as you can see guys, it's cracking the app, which can take up to several minutes. So till the time, I'm gonna pause the video. So as you can see, it's nearly going to finish. That's why I've resumed the video. Now as you can see, the cracking of the app was successful, and the patch pattern and N1 and N2 both are success. So then we'll go to file, uninstall and install. If it's not working in some devices, then we can directly uninstall our previous app from the app drawer. Then we can install it from our file manager, phone storage, Android, data, then going to com.android vending billing in app bill. We'll open it, then go to files, Lucky Patcher, modified, Subway Surfer, and we'll install this. So as you can see, it's installing. So the game is now installed. We'll open the app. As you can see, it's asking for the tutorial. So first I have to complete the tutorial. As you can see, the tutorial is finished. Then we'll check our shop store, and now if you purchase anything it will be purchased for free. We have to click on yes. See, it works really good. And now you can purchase your favorite character, which one you love, favorite board, anyone. So it works good.